Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop with the update on the tune-up for this Murray Select 20-inch 1.5 horsepower 4.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. So, and welcome back to my channel. By the way, so I went ahead and finished the tune-up. Everything's back in place. You can see, I put the tank back in there. I put the same bulb, the primer bulb, back because I ended up ordering the tune-up kit from Amazon, and it was like six bucks and change, and it won't come in until tomorrow. So I went ahead and put everything back there and made sure that the air filter and that little rag was actually put on a little bit better to where it will work much better. So I put some good fuel in there. I'm going to go ahead and prime it. First time it's going to take a few pumps. So I just heard the gas come up. So that's 5 for good measure. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull it, and it should be running much smoother than it was before. Like I said, I took the spark plug out. You guys saw what it looked like in the first video. It was all nasty. Cleaned it up, wire brushed it with my bench wire wheel, and let's hear how it sounds. Okay, now it should sound much better than it did before. Oh, and I just used a clamp to hold the stop bar in place, and I also re-gapped the coil to 0.4 of an inch by using a business credit card. All right, here we go. Wow, what a difference. Sounds like it's brand new. So before, when I first got it and it was running like crap, I actually, let me see if I can come to the front of it right here and I'll show you guys. So the governor spring, which is located right here, where my finger's at, okay, right there, there's a little spring. Let's see, yeah, you can see it right there. So if you bend this tab out, it increases the RPMs. And lawnmowers like this need to run between 34 and 3600 RPM, and for them to, work right. All right. So, oh, and I also topped off the oil with heavy-duty oil, which is exactly what Briggs and Stratton calls for. All right, and made sure that the level was right. And on this model, the level checking, you put the cap in, twist it to the closed position, take it out again, wipe it clean, reinsert it, and then bring it back out, and it should be no more than the high level. But man, that thing sounds smooth now. So there you go, guys. Second update on doing the tune-up. So when my kit comes in, I will go ahead and install that. The kit comes with the air filter, a new bulb, a spark plug, and a new gasket for the carburetor that goes right here, right on the bottom of the carburetor. So for like $6, I'm like, damn, that's nice. Whereas Lowe's wanted $8 just for the air filter alone. Not knocking them down, but for this one, I had to go to Amazon. Sorry, Lowe's. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and hit that bell button for more upcoming videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks.